Hey guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to go live on Coverstar step by step, even if you're a beginner. This helps you start live streaming, connect with viewers, and grow your account the right way. Step 1. Download and sign up. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Coverstar app. Open it, sign up with your email or phone number, create your username, and complete your profile with a photo and bio. Step 2. Check if you can go live. Go to your profile and look for the Go Live or camera icon. If you see it, your account can go live. If you don't see it, update the app, verify your account, and be active for some time. Step 4. Go live on Coverstar. Open Coverstar, tap the plus or camera icon, choose Go Live, add a title like Live Chat, set it to public, and tap Go Live. Step 5. Engage viewers. While live, talk to viewers, read comments, thank people for gifts, and ask them to follow you. That's how to go live on Coverstar in just a few steps. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more creator tips, and comment if you want a full guide on how to grow on Coverstar.